Hey, moneymakers, think you need thousands to start investing in stocks? Think again. Today, I'm revealing the secret sauce to kickstart your investing journey with pocket change. The $1 investing revolution. Imagine owning a piece of Apple or Tesla for less than your morning coffee. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Let's dive into the world where every dollar counts. Why this matters: build wealth over time, own shares in global giants, start your financial freedom journey now. 5 steps to investing stardom. 1. Set your money goals. What's your end game? Retirement on a beach? A new car? Your why is your compass. 2. Choose your investing superhero app. Robinhood, Webull, or others. Find your perfect match with 0 commissions. 3. Fractional shares, your golden ticket. No full shares? No problem. Slice and dice expensive stocks to fit your budget. 4. Automate like a boss. Set it and forget it. Regular investments equals compound interest magic. 5. Diversify or die. ETFs are your new best friend. Spread the love and the risk across multiple stocks. The secret sauce: patience plus consistency equals wealth. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your fortune. Stay cool, stay invested, and watch your money grow. Ready to turn your spare change into a money-making machine? Hit that subscribe button and smash the like for more wealth-building hacks. Start small, start smart, start now. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video, future millionaires.